Why Python demand is high? Let's answer this question. There are various reasons for increasing demand for Python. We'll look into some of them. The very first is data science. Python holds a special place in the hearts of data scientists compared to any available language such as R or C++. Hence, with simple usage and a large set of libraries and frameworks, Python has become the most promising option to handle it. Example, PyBrain, PyMySQL, NumPy are one of the big reasons. The second reason is machine learning. Python being an interpreted language makes it compressive enough for the language to be interpreted by virtual machine against any other machine language, which is what the hardware understands. For an example, Google search algorithms and Uber are completely driven by algorithm. Machine learning libraries compared to Java found more content around Python as current preference of developer community and Python. The third reason is web development. While concerning backend development, Python is chosen by 2 out of 3 developers who initially worked with PHP. Python's trend has been wideness, a steep upward in past 2 years. It offers so many good libraries and frameworks, example Flash and Django, which make web development easy. After adopting Python, some of the product-based platforms have become the biggest name. They are YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Google, Netflix, and Spotify. The fourth reason is simplicity. Whenever you decide to start learning programming and coding, you don't want to start with a programming language that is complex in syntax and tough its rules. Python is readable as well as simple. It's even easy to set up Python. Whenever you write something in Python, you will want to show off to others as it is so elegant to look, not generally in case with typically written languages. The fifth reason is huge community. Mostly decisions are community influence, and when to learn something new, you need a community and a friends which serve as your biggest assets. Thanks to Google, many of solutions to single Python-related problems can be found out in minutes. Python has such vast use cases like development, scientific applications, scripting, and so on. Hence, it brings many Python experts together. The more, the merrier. The sixth reason is libraries and frameworks. Not just frameworks, but it has got superior frameworks. Django is the clear winner when Python's frameworks are considered. Frameworks are easy to use, secure, and fast. The richer the framework, more deeper one should learn, as it will translate into a lot of long-term valuable results. The another reason is automations, multipurpose. Python supports all the syntax, data with very clean syntax usage, jobs and growth. Python is growing as fast as it seems that everyone is adopting Python. So it makes a lot of sense to learn a growing programming language. Salary. The Python developers are one of the highest paid jobs available, particularly in the field of data science, machine learning, and web development. With the increasing demand of programming and coding in today's world, you are really taking the very good language, that is Python.